This is about primary and secondary curves of the VC. Secondary curves of the VC vertebral column. Primary curve means if we see a baby, So here, if the baby is small, mean if we see a newborn here, the vertebral column will be like this. Here, vertebral column will be like this. We may understand vertebral column will be like this. This is anterior to the body. This is posterior to the body. Here, if we see vertebral column, anteriorly the vertebral column is concave shape. So anteriorly it is concave. Posteriorly, vertebral column is convex. Posterior vertebral column is convex. So if we keep like this is convex. This is concave. So this is the primary curvature of the vertebral column. As the child grows, that time this here complete the primary curve of the vertebral column is posteriorly convex, anteriorly concave. This is the primary curve of the vertebral column. Secondary curve means as the child growth, mean if he is growing means, so here the changes will happen in this curve. Those changes are, suppose this is primary curve. Suppose this is primary curve. So how the changes will happen? This is primary curve. How the changes will happen? So this primary curve is going to develop into first one cervical curve. This is cervical. Then it will transfer into thoracic. Then here it will be like lumbar. Here sacral and coccyx region. This is anterior. This is posterior. See here cervical region and lumbar region. These two curves will develop here. Other than these two, see if we see this thoracic region. This is thoracic region and this is sacral and coccyx region. Coccyx. So these two curves are same as the primary curves. But where the change happens, see this cervical and lumbar. So this is lumbar. So this is cervical. So here new curves developed, cervical curve and lumbar curvature. So these are the secondary curvatures. These are the secondary curvatures of spine. These are the secondary curvatures of the spine. So here what is the point means? Here if you see cervical, it is anteriorly convex, posteriorly concave. If we see lumbar, spine, here also it is anteriorly convex, posteriorly concave. Same like this, thoracic and sacral regions is anteriorly concave, posteriorly convex. So this is equal to the primary curve. This is equals to the primary curvature. So here also anteriorly concave, here posteriorly convex, here also posteriorly convex. So that the point is, when the child is growing, the secondary curvatures will develop at the cervical region and lumbar region. Here these curves are nothing but secondary curvatures of the spine. Okay, at what time this up to what age the curves will develop means 12 to 17 years. Okay, suppose 0 years mean first day of life to 17 years, up to 17 years the curvatures may develop. After that the development will stop. This is about the curvatures of the spine. Okay.